Blessings, blessings, blessings to all my Nubians. Blessings, blessings, blessings. I didn't even know this was on Wikipedia. I just was looking up Nubian. You feel me? Because something with Nubian, something with Kemet, something with ancient Egypt, it just ring bells in my head. It just something resonates what makes my DNA like shivers. You feel me? So I'm really here trying to get y'all to use y'all discernment and what y'all gonna use y'all for intuition. If this man, Dr. Yark, built these great things out here in Atlanta and was giving us all this wisdom, now all of a sudden they locked him up and say he was a rapist and just got all these allegations about him and all this crazy stuff. But it's so many people using his work, so many people using his stuff. And like, just look it up. It said Nubian Nation, Nubian Movement, or United Nubian Nation. And you know Wikipedia put all type of crazy things. It's an American new religious movement founded and led by Dwight York, also known as Malachi Z. York. York began founding several black Muslims groups in New York in 1967. He changed his teachings and the names of his groups many times, incorporating concepts from Judaism, Christianity, UFO religions, New Age, and many esoteric beliefs. Now you see this the land from that they came and stole and came and took and all these other things. Now this was allegations against Dr. York. So what happened to why y'all taking the land? Why y'all doing all these things, these crazy things, which they do over and over, and they do it to everybody else. They do it to everybody. You hear me? Let's not leave them out and the things they do. You feel me? But they always want to try to get the masses to believe some type of foolishness. And I'm going to say it's foolishness because it's not resonating with my soul. You feel me? Now, in the late 1980s, they say he abandoned the Muslim theology of his, like Malcolm X and a lot of other people did, in favor of Kemetism. Like Kemetism, meaning Kemet, a Kemetic, UFO, and that's the Kemetic was the first ancient civilization. Like you got the Kemetics, you got Kemet, you have, I bet I ain't got a brain freeze right now, but you got Kemet, you got Nubiria, Nubians, well, you know, Kemet, Nubians, and but they say Egypt, but that's really America. You feel me? But by the 2000s, the United Nubian Nation of the Moors had some 500 apparatus. They drew thousands of visitors for Savior Day ceremonies. Like, see all these things we did, bro? And you see why they locked him up. You see why they put these allegations on him. They don't want y'all to know about this. The group have taken numerous names throughout its history, including Ansarul Allah Community and Holy Tablet Ministries, United Nubian Nation of Moors after the move to Georgia. Yes, let me see. Native American Moors of the Creek Nation also used and you see why they locked him up. You see why? Because this man was breaking down biblical scriptures. This man was letting y'all know where we from. Like what Rob Hayes and all them doing and Rashad Jamal, this man been doing it. This man was like, he was knocking the devil down, trying to get you to get from his oppression and get back to our land. Like, at the end of the day, it's all about land. They try to tell you about your land. You worrying about reparations. Forget it, reparations, that ain't nothing. If you got the land, you can build and do whatever you want. You don't need no money. Why? Because where's money need to be produced at? You need trees to produce money. So why would I need some damn money or reparations when I need my damn land? You feel me? Man, free Dr. York, man. Fuck these imposters, man. Fuck around what y'all talking about, man. Fuck the government. Fuck the CSI. Fuck all of them, man. Fuck y'all talking about, man. I'm rebellious to this pussy-ass system, man. Fuck them.